it's TJ Spot to make guy word. Today I got a little biggest day out for the girls. As you can see right now, we in Times Square. Y'all know this is the place to do trolling, get the best reactions out here, you feel me? So this is where we at right now. This is what y'all about to see throughout the whole video, you feel me? I hope y'all stay tuned and watch the video fully. Watch the video all the way through, you heard? We just found a victim. It's over. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Yo, you ain't just sneeze on my neck, bro.
I'm sick.
You did not just sneeze on my neck, bro.
I'm sick, my
You did not just sneeze on my neck, my nigga. You did not just sneeze on my neck,
I'm sick, yo. Achoo.
Damn, bro, what's your problem, bro?
I'm sick.
You just sneezed on me, bro?
Yeah, I'm sick.
Are you all right, bro?
You don't know about the new sickness?
No, I don't, bro. There's like a flu going around and you're doing this.
I got that.
You gotta be careful, bro.
I got the flu.
Nah, bro, I don't care if you got the flu or not, bro. Don't sneeze on me, bro. That's not cool, bro.
My fault.
That's not cool, bro. You know what? I'm gonna just walk away, man, because I don't wanna stop.
But then I guess, yeah, that does make sense.
You just fucking sneeze on me, yo.
Sick.
Fucking play with me, yo.
Sick,
Fucking play with me.
My fault. You know the new flu?
Bro, don't give a fuck about that shit, bro.
I got it. You want me to sneeze on you again? Okay, it's a prank. It's a prank. It's a prank, man. It's a prank, gang. Look. It's a prank. It's a prank. Look, the camera right there. The camera right there.
My fault, bro. Damn, chat. I'm fucking sick as fuck. My fault, bro. I sneezed on you? My fault, bro. I'm sick. COVID-19?
My fault, bro. You good?
You recording, you're doing me. Let's be careful about you to do that, yeah?
You said recording? Yeah. Who's recording? I don't know that person. Why are you recording me? Yo, you good, bro?
I think it's the change of the weather. If I keep sneezing, man. Fuck.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Fucking sick, bro. Mud, I've been sick, gang. I just sneezed on a lady, bro. I'm sorry, ma'am.
You, huh? I'm sick.
Use your hand.
I'm sick. I try to use my hand.
So why did you come here? You can walk from there.
No, I was trying. I'm sick a little bit.
So why did you came in the mall if you're sick?
I still wanted to shop. I can't shop when I'm sick.
No, then why did you sneeze on my neck?
Cause I'm sick. It was out of my control.
So you have to go from there. You have to use your hand.
I try to use my hand.
But if you use your hand, then why everything gonna come on my neck?
Cause I didn't have enough time to cover my nose.
What happened?
You okay? You wipe your neck? Sir.
Huh? You don't have that much money in your nose, you know?
Huh?
You don't have that much. You don't have that much water in your nose.
You say I don't have that much money?
Water in your nose, okay?
What are you doing? You about to stab me with the scissors?
No, you don't have that much water in your nose to come and on my neck. There's water, I know, I got it. There's water.
It's not water.
Don't try that, don't try that.
It's not.
Yeah, don't try that.
I'm a little sick.
That's okay, you're sick. I'm not bothered about it. I'm not like you guys. I'm not like you guys weak. Okay, I got good.
No, you know the bug? You know the bug that was going on? You know the bug that's going on?
Yeah,
That's spreading?
It. Yeah.
I got it.
Inside my.
Yeah, I got it too. I got it too.
Yeah, I also got it right now from you.
Oh, from. Oh, I'm sorry.
That's okay.
You want me to wipe your neck?
No, that's okay.
You sure?
I'm sure.
Okay. I'm sorry. If you have like any symptoms in the next few days, all right, copy.
You just gave him the virus?
I gave him a virus on accident.
I got multiple viruses. It's dangerous than you guys. I got multiple viruses.
Nah, yeah, I almost died from it.
That's tiny in front of me, very tiny.
Oh, all right. So you're good. You're good.
I'm good.
You're immune from it. You're immune. Okay. All right. Have a good day. Achoo. You good? You okay? I'm a little sick. You okay? I'm a little sick. You want me to wipe your neck for you? I got you. I got you. You missing a little spot right there. A little spot.
Yo, what the fuck? Yo, bro, you just sneezed on me.
I'm a little sick. I'm a little sick. My fault.
Nigga, you just sneezed on me, nigga.
I'm a little sick.
Yo, what you talking about, bro?
You know the new bug that's going on right now?
Nigga, what bug, nigga? What are you talking about, bro?
The sick bug.
Bro, say sorry right now, nigga. I'm not playing with
the
you, bro.
COVID-19.
The what?
The COVID-19.
Fuck COVID-19. Nigga, you sneezed on my neck, nigga. What's up?
I got COVID.
Yo, bro, what you talking about, bro? Like,
I got COVID.
Yo, why shouldn't I hit you right now, bro? What are you doing?
Can we in a public area?
Nigga, fuck you in a public area, nigga.
You don't got to.
Nigga, get the fuck out.
What's up? What you doing, gang? Don't be grabbing my hands like that. What am I dead? Stop playing with your life, gang. Dead eyes.
What you doing?
Stop playing with your life.
You good, boss man? You good? Huh?
What are you doing?
What am I doing?
Yeah.
I just sneezed.
You're just recording, I know.
Who's recording? Yo, I can't hear you, boss man. Let me come around. I can't hear you. You okay, miss? I'm sorry. You know the new bug? Huh? You know the new bug that's out right now? The new sickness? The new sickness bug? You know COVID-19? Yeah. I got it. I'm so sorry, man. I'm so sorry. Let me wipe your neck for you? Huh? It's okay? Okay. Have a good day, miss. Please don't get sick. Okay, I've been mad sick recently, man.
Don't be doing that shit on me, though.
You said what?
Don't be sneezing on me. Nigga, did you just sneeze on this nigga?
It was on accident. Oh. Wait. You might have COVID. Yo, chat, we got another victim, you heard? Yo, gang, I feel like I've been mad sick recently, gang. I think I got the new bug.
Yo, bro.
Bro, you don't know how to cover your mouth, bro?
Yo,
You just gonna sneeze on niggas like that, bro?
I'm sick. I'm sorry.
Nah, bro, I don't wanna hear none of that, bro. You gotta have some self-respect, bro.
I'm sick.
Real talk, bro.
I'm sick.
Why would you do something like that, bro?
I'm sick. You know the new bug that came out? The new sickness?
Bug.
The new sickness?
I'm about to turn you into a bug.
COVID-19. The COVID-19.
I don't give a fuck. That shit was 5 years ago, my nigga. Stop playing with niggas.
I got it now.
Stop playing.
I'm sorry.
Get out of here, bro. Put the block. Burn it up.
I sneezed. Huh? I sneezed. I was sick. You know the new sickness? You know COVID? You know COVID-19? You don't know nothing about COVID? You don't know about the sickness? The flu? Why do you think I got the mask on? Your neck is okay?
Nah, it don't like to do that.
Huh?
I don't like to do that.
Do what? No, it was on accident. It was on accident.
Okay. Let's see.
See what?
Nothing. My fault. I'm sick. My fault. You good? It's a new sickness. You just cursed me out in Spanish? Just cursed me out in Spanish? I'm Daryl? Nah. Yo, somebody translate for me in the chat what that mean, right? He said, Pucho madre. What you? Yo.
Yo, bro.
What happened?
Yo, bro, you sneeze on me?
Yeah.
Why, bro?
You know that new sickness?
What?
The new
sickness. What are you talking about, nigga?
I'm sick. You know the new bug that's going around?
Hell no.
I got the flu.
You sneeze on me, nigga? See, you ain't seen shit. I want nothing, bro. That shit hit me, bro. Now if I get sick, it's on you.
Then we both gonna be sick.
Nigga. Bro. Nah, you see this, right? That nigga just sneezed on me, bro.
Gang, it's alright, gang. You just gonna get the flu. It's alright.
Hell no, bro.
It's alright, gang.
That shit dirty as hell,
It's
bro.
alright, gang. You got the flu, gang. You got the flu now. It's alright. You got the flu now already. You got the flu, gang. You.
That's dirty as hell. That's on you.
Gang, that's all you, gang.
Get me tight right now, son, bro.
So what you trying to do? What you wanna do? What you wanna do?
You lucky, bro. You lucky, bro.
What you wanna do?
What you wanna do, bro?
What you wanna
Sneeze on me,
do?
bro. You got me sick, bro.
Alright, that's
got me
on.
tight, bro.
That's on you. My fault, bro. Your neck is good? My fault. I'm a little sick. My fault, you good?
I trust mother.
You good?
How can I feel for a name? I'm about to set everything straight. Bro, keep an image in multiple ways and don't got no scene cause he don't really bang. Fuck all the hate, if you got a pound, there's nothing to say. So many pounds can't fit in this space. Had to roll up the pain, I ain't taking no breaks. I set the play, it's a new day. I told the